How to adjust saturation in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the saturation. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now here, you'll be able to create or open any of the project. Here I'm opening one. Now again, tap on the picture to edit it. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see different tools that are available. Now simply tap on adjust. So here you'll be able to see the option called saturation. Simply tap on saturation. Now this is the slider that is available. Now we can slide it wherever you want. So as you can see, there are different changes in the photo as you slide the slider. Now at last, simply tap on done. So the photo has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.